Chapala. This is mulching cultivation. Mulching technical term, it means covering of the soil. So mulching is the process which gives favorable conditions to the soil, and it will also be helpful for its development and also its production. This will be of two types, organic and inorganic. In organic we use the materials which are naturally occurring, such as leaves and grass clippings, coconut coils, etc. In inorganic we use the materials like plastic films which can be recycled. Here I am going to give the demo on inorganic mulching. Here I am giving the sample of a black film. This will be of 5 types. Transparent black, opaque thermic, black and white, black and silver. So if suppose we take the example black and silver, it is insect repellent. If we take the insect repellent, if we apply the black and silver here, whatever the insect come near it, because of reflection it goes away. The main advantages existing through mulching cultivation are that weed growth and also soil erosion can be completed. Weed growth and soil erosion can be completely weed growth and soil erosion can be completely eroded. Why here weed growth doesn't take place? Because here photosynthesis doesn't take place. That means light doesn't fall down of the mulch. Because of that, weed doesn't grow. India is one of the country which is experiencing a worse situation because of soil erosion. If we apply this process, mulching by applying mulching cultivation, soil erosion can be eroded. And it also helps for the reduction of frequent watering. And we no need to apply here herbicides because weeds are not growing here, so we can reduce the effect of chemicals on the soils. The water level can be constantly maintained. Even the temperature of the soil can be constantly maintained even during night and day. So the growth of plants will be very soon here, and the germination of seeds occurs very soon, and the young plants can have better root system. Thank you. I'm G. Pranaya from St. Joseph Convent High School, Adilabad. Thank you.